Hello, in this video we will be talking through the petrol engine portable chipper. This robust and reliable garden chipper runs off a 5.5 horsepower 4-stroke petrol engine and is ideal for reducing garden waste like pruning, brushwood and branches up to 40mm thick. You'll also notice that the gravity-fed chute sits at a particularly steep angle, which helps to ensure vegetation reaches the chipping blades and makes the job even more accessible. The entire unit separates into two parts, making it easy for transportation, and it comes with a removable waste bag that makes it easy to dispose of the garden waste once it's been reduced. We advise that you wear full PPE, including gloves, goggles, protective boots and ear defenders when using this machine. You should not use petrol engines indoors, as fumes from the fuel can be harmful. And make sure you are mindful that the engine can get hot. HSS does not provide fuel, but petrol cans and all required PPE can be purchased at hss.com. When setting the chipper up, you should place it on firm, even ground, away from anything that might be damaged by flying debris. Aim the exit chute at an appropriate dispersal point, or cover it with the removable waste bag. Next, check the oil and fuel levels are correct, and familiarise yourself with the engine controls before starting it up. When using the collection bag, you should ensure the bag frame is located between the two lugs on the discharge chute, and be mindful of the exhaust as this can get hot and may damage the bag. To start the engine, you'll first need to ensure the chipping chute and discharge chute are in the correct position. Then, switch on the ignition. If the engine is cold, you will need to set the choke to close fully. Open the fuel tap and apply half throttle. Finally, pull the cord 2 or 3 times until the engine starts. Return the throttle to an idle position, open the choke and let the engine warm up. Once the engine is running and warm, you can start to feed in the garden waste. You should provide waste slowly and allow the blades to dispose of the materials before adding more. Do not attempt to dispose of hard materials such as stones, nails or glass, as this can be dangerous and may damage the machine. If the chipper becomes jammed, leave it to run for 2 to 3 minutes without adding any more material. If the jam does not clear, you should turn the engine off and contact your local HSS branch for advice. If you would like to learn more about the petrol powered chipper or view our full range of gardening equipment, visit hss.com today.